how to hide photos you're tagged in on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to hide your photos that you're tagged on Instagram. So then to begin with, open up or log in into your Instagram account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon. From here, tap the tab bar, and as soon as you do that, you'll need to go to settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down a bit, go to privacy, and over here you'll be able to see all of the information. And under interactions, you can see post. Go ahead and tap on it. While you're on this page, scroll down a bit and go to tag post. So go ahead and select manually approved tags. You'll be able to see all of the photos that you're actually tagged in. Now what you'll need to do is, in order to hide it, tap the edit button and select the particular photo that you wish to hide it and tap on the hide button. As soon as you do that, the particular photo or the photos that you're tagged in on Instagram will be hidden, and in order to unhide it, you'll need to do the same procedure. You'll have to head back to the same page here, and that's basically how you can hide and unhide tag photo on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.